Hello. So I'm at work and I'm so afraid someone's going to come over here. Like, no one's here on this side right now. They're doing subscription bundling and all that. But I'm a little emotional already. I've been waiting to tell you this story, but I'm like, Josephina sent me the link to Steve Jobs' 2005 commencement address at Stanford. You guys have to watch it. How there's like 43 million views on this video, and I was not one of the people that watched it until now. I don't know how I missed it, but you have to watch it. It even says, like, if you're not motivated after this, like, nothing will motivate you. It's so touching. So thank you so much for sending me that, Josephina. Okay, I have to tell you one of the most profound things that has ever happened to me in my life, and it's playing out right now, so I want to tell you. And because I'm emotional already, I was like, just do it now, because I keep trying to get on here and tell you guys this, but I'm like, I'm gonna cry. So it's already brewing, let's just go with it. Okay, it was about 10 years ago. I went shopping in the mall and I came out to my car, and I'm already starting to cry. As I got in my car, I noticed this woman was really lost, and she was just looking for her car like crazy. Like, I could just tell she was really lost. And so I turned my car on and I drove up to her and I rolled the passenger side window down and I said,